Let me explain how to convert from NFA to DFA. This is pretty easy, so I will explain it quickly. Here's the NFA table. If you have it in a graph, just turn it into a table. It is so much easier to work with. In this example, S is the starting state and A is the accepting state. There are 5 states total. The first thing to check is if there are multiple transitions. A DFA cannot be in multiple states at once, so we have to create new states to represent those combinations. Now you can see state B goes to state B, C, and D. To handle this for a DFA, we make one new state called BCD. We also modify any transitions leading to these states to make the names match. For the transitions of BCD on input 0, we look at what states B, C, and D do in the original table and combine them. In this case, they go to state A and state C. This means we must make another new state called AC. For input 1, BCD goes to itself. Now we do the same process for state AC. We combine the original transitions for state A and state C for both 0 and 1. If any transition leads to nothing, we create a dead state. For a DFA, you must make sure every single state has a transition. After all transitions are made, we have to check if there are any new states, including at least one accepting state. That new state becomes an accepting state too. In this case, because A was an accepting state, state AC is an accepting state. This is how NFA and DFA conversion works. Thank you for watching.